Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login issues within the Chase Bank app. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to use the Chase Bank application, but when you try to log into your account, you are facing various issues, then there might be a few different reasons behind this. When you tap on the sign up button, the first thing to make sure is that you are using the correct email address and your password. If you are using the correct credentials and still you are unable to log into your account, then you will need to contact the customer support for the Chase Bank team. Just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Chase Bank and start your search. Now from the search results, tap on the Chase mobile application and scroll down until you see App Support. Tap on the drop down menu and tap on the email address option, and now you can directly send an email to the customer support team. Within the subject section, just type in failed to log in, and then within the main body you can type in that you are unable to log into your account even while using your correct email address and password. Then just send your email and make sure to mention only your username but not your password within your email. Once you send your email and the support team will give you a response, you can open up the email response and follow the steps within to regain access into your account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.